Make a great choice today with the 2026 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, compass, front bucket seats. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.